It's a 1967 SS427. It's not considered an Impala. There's not an Impala emblem anywhere. And this is a specific package. It's the SS427. 52,000 mile untouched original car. Here's the picture. This one checks out. Let's go for a spin. This is all laser beam straight. Lines up beautifully. Sweeping panels, all straight as an arrow. Smooth all the way down to the bottom. The gaps are as precise as a Mercedes. Paint is polished like red glass. Shuts real nice. No rust, no damage, no waves. Now check out the 427 with the cross legs. Awesome. All the moldings are shiny. Look how nice it looks. The grille, SS427. Part of the package was 15-inch rally wheels, which this has. It all looks brand new. Has reproduction Firestone redline tires. Crystal clear windshield. All of it's looking really sharp. Black vinyl top is pristine. The original rear window. All of this is beautiful. Look at the tail lights. What a beautiful car. Bow tie, mirror. I love this one. Let's open it up. I got a lot more to show you. Everywhere you look, it's great. Look at the trunk light. Look at the stickers. Look how nicely it's painted. The jam is slick. Matching redline tire and rally wheel. So the jams are also all restored. Door panels, armrest, window cranks. All of that is in mint condition. This has the factory gauges. Pads real nice. Heater controls. AM radio. All that's in really nice shape. All this chrome is real nice. Multiplex speakers. We got a light that works. Carpet fits real nice. It's a stereo 8-track player. Very cool. Factory 4-seat console with the right shifter. Here's the ashtray. This is the car in original condition before restoration. Then it is documented with the Protecto plate. Warranty book. Here the mileage is listed as actual. So the seats, nice fitting, reproduction upholstery, all looks really good. It says all of its original seat belts in very good shape. Factory speaker grills in the back. The sail panels and headliner is in mint condition. Deluxe steering wheel on a tilt column. So that is the numbers matching 427, 385 horsepower. All the components are correct and original. All the original manifolds, the correct carburetor hiding underneath there. With all this is painted really nice. So the right shroud, the right clutch fan, the right brackets. So this was body off the frame, restored. You've seen that in the pictures. All of the suspension was all taken apart. The frame, chassis parts were all prepped, painted a nice semi-gloss black. It even has the correct spiral shocks to make it authentic. It has the correct reproduction dual exhaust system. It is the original Muncie 4-speed transmission. In back, it has its original 355 posi 12-bolt rear end. Thanks for watching.